Solve the equation. 9 divided by 4x plus 11 over 3 equals to 5x. Solution. 9 divided by 4x plus 11 divided by 3 equals to 5 divided by x. The first thing to do is to get the LCM of the denominators. LCM of 4x, 3, and x. To get the LCM of the denominators, let's work on our table. Now we have 3 expressions. So we have here 4x, we have 3, and we have x. Now, what can we use to divide 4x? We can use 4x itself also. 4x divided by 4 will give us x, and 3 divided by 4. 3 is not a multiple of 4, so we still write 3 here. And x is not a multiple of 4 also, so we still write x. Now, we can also reduce this by dividing by x. X divided by x, we have 1. 3 divided by x. 3 is not a multiple of x, so we still write 3 here. X divided by x, what do we have? 1. Now, we are still having 3 here, so we use 3. We'll just write this, the next step as 1. And 3 divided by 3, what do we have? That is 1. So we'll still write this 1 here. You can see we have 1, 1, 1. We have exhausted all factors. So the LCM will be equal to what? 4 times x times 3. 4 times x is 4x. Times 3 will give us 12x. Now we multiply all through by 12x. Multiply all through by 12x. Multiplying all through by 12x, we have 12x times 9 divided by 4x plus 12x times 11 divided by 3 and 12x times 5 divided by 3. Five divided by 3. So here we have x here, x here. X here 1, x here 1. Now, 4 here 1, 4 here in 4 in 12 we have 3. So 3 times 9, that will give us 27. Plus 3 here 1, then 3 in 12. We have what? That 3 in 12x now will give us 4x. 4x times 11, 44x. 3 here 1, then 3 in 12x, we have 4x. 4x times 5, that will give us 20x. 20x. So in this case, the next thing for us to do is to collect the like terms. Collecting like terms, what are we having? 27 will be equals to 20x, and moving 44x to the right, we are going to have minus 44x. So 27 will be equals to 20x minus 44. 20x minus 44x will give us what? Minus 24x. We are taking away bigger number from a smaller number, so we are going to have negative. Now, the next thing for us to do is to divide both sides by the coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x? The coefficient of x here is the number in front of x, and that is minus 24. So we divide both sides by minus 24. So minus 24x divided by minus 24. Minus, we cancel minus here. 24 divided by 24, that is 1. So it means that we are going to reduce this particular, the value in the left hand side. What number will divide 27 and 24 such that there will not be any remainder? We can use 9. Or we can use 9 can divide both without any, because 9 is not a factor of 24. We can't use 9. So let's use 3. We can use 3. 3 in 24, we have 8. 3 in 27, we have 9. So here we have x equals to minus 9 divided by 8. So converting minus 9 divided by 8 to mixed number. 9 divided by 8, we have 1. So remainder 1. So we have minus 1 whole number, 1 divided by 8 as the value of x. And that is the solution to the problem. Thank you.